Okay. It's my honor to be here and introduce the OpenHiTLS. This is a new open source crypto libraries and which is founded by the Open Autumn Foundation, a nonprofit foundation in China operating with the international principle of the transparency, neutrality, and meritocracy. It built a bridge between the institutes and the global industrial leaders. Now it has over 20 universities participate in the project. It's aiming to accelerate the transition of the innovative research into the scalable industrial standards. So let's get into the main topic. So OpenHiTLS is a new library with high performance and embedded friendly APIs. With the enhanced security, which is verified by TSOL. Its modular design allows the user to tailor the libraries to choose what protocols and what certificates and what algorithms to use in their application to fit the resource restrict limits of the lightweight devices. Most important is spell the PQC algorithms natively and build up from the ground up to handle the large key size and the signature length without compromising the system's stability. Compared to the OpenSSL, OpenHiTLS has a module design, decoupled architectures, which allows users to tailor it. This achieved the ultra lightweight kilobytes range as the devices of the memory footprint, and it's also very suitable for the concurrency scaling systems with the low lock-free and low contention design. For the PQC algorithm optimizations, we have the instruction level PQC acceleration for the various algorithms. And we also provide the engineering-friendly modern C APIs to the engineer. It makes the code readability and easy to understanding. So the OpenHiTLS, the architecture has 5 module design, like basic support layer and crypto, and transport layer security, and public key infrastructure, and then authentication. For the encryption abstraction layers, OpenHiTLS provide unified interface that allow users to use it without changing the interface, changing the code. And the provided systems give the algorithm registration system and support it for dynamic uploading and provider-based architectures. Also, we have the configuration files building systems. Here is a feature-based build system. We can just use the configuration file and choose the algorithms, protocols, and certificates, the functions, what you want embed it into your programs. This achieves the modular design, modular compilations, and the selective inclusions. And most important is auto dependencies. Here are the optimization for our PQC algorithms. On the right, you can see that we have much more higher operation speed than the OpenSSL. For the MLKM algorithms, we have at least 30% advanced improvements than the OpenSSL. For the ML digital signature algorithms, we have at least 40%. What did we do is there's 5 takeaways. The first is we use the planar arithmetic, which is animated at least one multiplications per modular operations. And for the lazy reductions, we dramatically reduce the reduction overhead in entity and identity. Also, the Mark-Casual optimizations reduce the matrix vectors multiplication complexity. Branchless design eliminates the branch misprediction penalties in the operations. And we use the customized pack and unpack per bitwise to reduce unnecessary operations. So these takeaways achieve the improvements to make the OpenHiTLS better than the OpenSSL.
Can you ask questions as we go along now?
Yeah, sure.
So to understand the figures, what operating system are you running these things on, and what are your language bindings?
Language bindings is C language.
Just C.
Just C.
The operating system?
Operating system, I need to conference this with my.
Sorry?
I need to conference this with my teammates, the open source team. So I need to ask them. If you have questions, you can send the question from the email that I mentioned at the beginning, right? So for the OpenHiTLS, we have the ML cam fully supported, and for the users who want higher security margin, we have the Frodo cam and classic McAlice, the algorithm you can choose. And for the digital signature algorithms, the ML DSA and SLH DSA provides a lattice-based and hash-based algorithm here. And for users who want to use the stateful signatures, they can use the XMSs and MSS-MT. Also, we want to expand our algorithm set so that the NTRU and LMS HSS is under the development. HQC and FMDSA is in our roadmap. We also integrate the certificates like PQC certificates integrates the PQC into the certificate of X509 and the TLS. So our OpenHiTLS, it fully supports the PQC certificates generation, validation, and the CSR generation. And for the TLSA capabilities, OpenHiTLS also provides us hybrid solution that it can use to the classic crypto algorithms and the PQC algorithms and combine them into the one protocol, so that there's a two crypto protocol at the same time when you're using the OpenHiTLS. So even though there's one algorithm is broken, the other one can provide the security. OpenHiTLS is a thriving ecosystem of innovation. By now, there's over 200 organizations are actively contributing to the OpenHiTLS ecosystem. Every year, the OpenHiTLS will provide a very generous annual bonus for the independent contributors or the contributions. In 2025, 57 awards has been granted. So thank you for your attention, and we hope like you can integrate our technologies into your projects or contribute to your code into our project, or just even share your insights or advice. Just send the email to me. Thank you.